How to make money on ChatGPT online. Hello guys and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you some very good ways to make money on ChatGPT. Also, let's get into it. As you all know, ChatGPT is a platform where you can basically write content for everything, for any need that you have. It is basically like a chat bot, so you basically type in your query and then it's going to respond you in the chat, and you can continue asking and continue for more updates, or you can make it do different. If you don't like your content, you can just ask it to redo it or whatever. So this is basically how ChatGPT works. So I have ChatGPT open for me right here. So how you can make money with ChatGPT? It's very easy. You can make a lot of things with ChatGPT. You can make everything easier using this thing. Like if you are selling something, like if you have a store, you can basically write product descriptions with ChatGPT and it is going to save you a lot of time. If you are a blog writer, if you're a blogger, you can basically write blogs. If you are a YouTube video creator, you can write your video descriptions. You can write everything with ChatGPT, and it is going to make your work very easy, and it is going to save you a lot of time, and you can make money with it. You can make more money in that time, so you can basically work on other things that are basically going to get you more money, and you can all your writing needs are going to be handled by ChatGPT. So it is a very good way to use, to incorporate in everything that you have. So okay, so but now if you want to create, to make money with ChatGPT, like only using this and not doing anything else, so I have got some ways for that as well. So let's first of all see what solution does ChatGPT has to in making money online. So I'm just going to ask it to suggest me ways to make money online. Okay, so I entered my query to ChatGPT. As you can see, suggest me ways to make money online. There are many ways you can make money online. Here are a few. Sell products or services on a website or online marketplace like Amazon, Etsy, or eBay. Offer freelance services such as writing, graphic design, or social media management on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. So here you can see you can basically add writing. You can have writing. You can make social media content on ChatGPT. You can also write product descriptions. You can create and sell online courses. You can create an ebook. Ebook is, you can see, you can create a whole ebook using ChatGPT, or you can basically go on to platforms like Udemy or Teachable and you can create a course, and you can use a ChatGPT for that as well. Start a YouTube channel, purchase flip. So okay, first of all, what you're going to do today is basically I'm going to make an ebook on ChatGPT. I'm going to show you how you can make an ebook, and then I'm going to tell you how, where you can sell it. So give me some ideas for non-fictional ebooks, because if you already have an idea, then good to go, but if you don't, then you have to basically go on and you can ask ChatGPT to give you ideas. Okay, so here are a few ideas for non-fiction ebook: a self-help book on productivity, time management, or goal setting; a guide to a particular hobby or activity such as knitting, gardening, or home brewing; a book on historical event or figure; a travel guide to a specific destination; a cookbook with recipes and information about a particular type of cuisine; a business or leadership book with tips and strategies for success; a book on health and wellness such as a guide to healthy living or a collection of natural remedies; a book on personal finance; a book on painting, etc. So here you can see you have all of these things that you can create books on, but you basically have to narrow down your query to actually continue making an ebook. So I'm just going to ask it to create a self-help book. I'm just going to ask it to get me subcategories of self-help books. So let's get into it. Just ask the ChatGPT. Okay, so here you can see I have given in a query, and I'm going to get some subtopics that you could consider covering: setting and achieving goals, time management and organization, stress management, and relaxation techniques. Okay, so overcoming procrastination. As you can see, these days a lot of youth is suffering from procrastination, like they cannot continue and focus on their work. So I'm just going to continue with this specific thing. Like procrastination is a very novel, it is not very novel now, but it is still very common, so people are looking forward ways to overcome that. So I'm just going to make an ebook for that. I'm just going to ask ChatGPT now to give me an outline. Okay, so let's see what it is going to give an outline. Okay, so here you can see the outline is being created now. Introduction, definition of procrastination, the consequences of procrastination, the benefits of overcoming. Okay, then there's a chapter 2, understanding the causes of procrastination. Then you have all of these subheadings, and then you have strategies for overcoming. Then you have all of these subheadings. Then you have implementing change and building habits. Then you have these subheadings, and then you have a conclusion. Now, after getting an outline, what you're gonna do is basically, okay, so you got your outline. What you're going to do now is basically you're going to copy the whole outline like this, and then we are gonna copy it, and then you're going to paste it in a Word document or Google Docs or whatever you need as your writing partner or your writing tool. Okay, so after basically having all of this in one place, now you're going to start creating chapters. Like first of all, I have an introduction chapter. I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create the whole chapter for me. You can basically ask it to create the whole ebook for you in one command, but that is not very impressive, and you cannot go in again and again and ask it to change different headings or different chapters if for something specific. So it's better to go on chapter by chapter. So I'm just going to ask it to, you can go in like this, like you can give this command, it is going to write the whole chapter for you, because the thing is basically that it basically takes in and remembers the data that has been added previously. So it basically gets a reference from that and it can continue working on that. So here you can see the chapter 1, introduction, procrastination. It is giving the definition, the consequences, short consequences. Then despite these negative consequences, it is possible to overcome. Like it is going something hopeful, it is writing something hopeful, and now it is basically going to end this up in another paragraph. So this is basically going to be the first chapter of your whole ebook. You can go on, and if you don't like this chapter like it is creating right now, if you don't like it, what you can do is basically you can just go on and ask it to be more professional, or you can give command like be more confident, or you can say like be more informative, and it is going to add more information. If you still don't like it, what you can do is basically you can ask it to regenerate the response. You can from this option, or you can basically ask it to improve this and this and then recreate the whole response. So actually I really like what it has written for me, and I think the length is enough. If you want more length, like if you want more paragraphs, you can basically ask it to continue writing and it is going to create more paragraphs for you. If you wanted to talk about something specific, then you can say that as well. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this whole chapter of introduction, copy, and I'm going to paste into the Word document. So here one by one we are going to create our whole ebook, and after when all the chapters are completed, what you're going to do is you're just going to convert it into a PDF and you're going to manage your headings and everything. And after everything is done, then you can basically go on and sell your ebook online. So where are you going to sell it? That is the main thing. You're going to sell it on the platform named Gumroad. You can basically sell digital products on Gumroad, and it is, or you can also sell physical products, and you can sell ebooks, you can sell audios and etc. on Gumroad. It is a really great place, and you don't have to basically pay anything for basically selling your product here. What you're going to do is basically you are going to list your product for free, and after you make a purchase, like after you basically sell something, it is going to cut a little bit of amount from the money that you have made. So it is basically Gumroad is going to take its commission, and you're going to get your profit, and you're going to also get your money. So here you can see that you have options to sell 3D audio, business money, and you have design, comics and graphics, and in here you have your fiction books and you have your educational books as well. So you can just go on, sell, list your book on Gumroad, and you're good to go. It is going to be there, it is going to be sold, and you don't have to do anything about it. You just don't have to do anything in it. Whenever you someone purchases it, you're going to make money. It is like some extra money. It is going to be your side hustle in which you don't have to do anything. It's just one-time effort, and as you have seen it is so easy. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope I was a big help to you, and please give this video a big thumbs up, and please press the bell icon and subscribe to Softwares Made Easy.